Well, guess, I have an unboxing for you. It is a Victorinox. It is the model Outrider. I don't know if you can see there. No, you can't. Oh, let's go. This is made in Switzerland. Doesn't matter. It's a Victorinox. It's simple. It is itself. It got a symbol here. Victorinox. So you got more in the box. You got this little paper that has the instructions and says what is some things. It says to oil and open some blades in warm water. So don't forget, always take good care of your Victorinox and you'll get some good Victorinox. And it will last for years or your whole life. So it has a big blade with a lock. If it is like this, you can close. See? It doesn't close. You have to press this down and then close it like this. So it comes with another blade for the wood to try to cut wood. This is actually very cool. It cuts great. It comes with a scissors. Oh, and where the scissors come, there is a screwdriver here. So then you have it is some things that this thing can be. It can be here. It is a screwdriver. Here is a cap lifter. Then actually this is a wire bender or stripper. So this is actually a piece very good. Then you have the can opener here. At the back, oh no, here you have this. And on this side you have a toothpick. So now you have this blade. I don't know what name they give to this, but this is actually for do this and then in a paper or what else, punching it. So take very good care. It is sharp and can cut. This is for, it is only for people who drink wine. Okay, I don't drink. So this is it. It is the Victorinox Outrider. It is a pretty good Victorinox. It got very good and it has a lock blade. So goodbye and take good care and don't cut yourself.